Happer around the house, and we have a broken, I don't know what the heck this thing's even called, like a pitchfork hoe maybe. And we're down here where all the magic happens. We're going to repair this. Now what I have is some JB Weld. This is just stuff I happen to have laying around. JB Weld marine adhesive. I imagine that's going to do just fine. What happened was I think we got a little rot in here. So what we're going to do is we are going to mix up some JB Weld. This stuff works fabulous. I love it. What I like about JB is this. This is a really nice, look at that. That just twists and supposedly comes off. Well, I used to like it. How the hell does that come off? Oh, I see. You got to line up a couple little dickies there. Hang on. Because it locks. And then I'm going to break this. I know I am. Ugh. There we go. I used to like it. Last time I used it, it came off really easy. So what we're going to do is we are going to squirt a decent amount. Oh, I'm going to guess. Ooh, okay. I think, yeah, I think that ought to freaking do it. All right, let's put this thing back on. Just like that. Twist it to seal. There we go. Perfect. I've got quite a bit of that left, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll mix this up a second. Make sure that whatever you're mixing it with, see, I just had a little piece of something fall off. It doesn't matter in this instance. Now, if you're doing something that's in close quarters, like if you broke a dish and you're trying, I don't know why you would use this on a dish, but if you were, you'd want to make sure there's no pieces in there to get in the seam that you're trying to glue. Ooh. So scrape that a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it, we're going to pack it in there. Move my stool. All right, here we go. We're just going to pack that cavity full of this material. Like that. And it's working out nice. That's good. I hate throwing away things. And I don't know what these cost, but I bet you they're not cheap anymore. There we go. And we're just going to use this all up. And I imagine when I put the pitchfork hoe, that's what I'm going to call it, in there, it's going to go all over the place, but that's fine. This is for messing up the garden, killing weeds, and, you know, turning over dirt, so no one's gonna care. Okay, good. That's good. Let's get this out of the way so I don't end up wearing it. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to, ooh, I gotta clean that off a second too, don't I? Getting ahead of myself. Let's grab this filthy towel, rag, clean that off a little bit. You know what? We could even do this. This is why it's so great to have a workbench that's just full of you know what, because everything's close. So grab this wire brush. Wire brush this thing off. This wire brush sucks. All these, every time I use it, pieces come off it. I repaired a furnace the other day, and I was using it to clean off a fitting, and everything, all these little bristles come off. Anyways, okay, cool. So let's get this handle back in view so you can see this. We are going to take the handle, we're going to take the hoe, and I can't remember. I should have made a mark for which direction it was actually inserted the first time. Oh, look at that. I got it first attempt. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that great? That came out okay. Now I'm going to pull it out and put it back in just to make sure that I got good coverage. There it is. I think that repair is going to be just dandy. I'll come back and I'll show you. Okay, this is what the finished product looks like. Looks nice. It filled in that cavity nice. I'll put a link down below for this marine epoxy. Let's see if it comes apart. Oh, that's going to work nice. Good. I don't have to buy another one. Fixed it with a 50 cents worth of epoxy. No, that's not coming out. Good. Well, if you got anything out of the video, hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching. See you next time.